My Maryland style Old Bay wings came out absolutely delicious. Keep watching to find out how to make them. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, today I am making my Maryland style, I call them buffalo wings, but you know, those little chicken wings. I'm going to be using some Old Bay seasoning and some Old Bay hot sauce. And I know you're not going to be able to find like the Old Bay hot sauce everywhere, but you can use like a little bit of Tabasco sauce if you'd like. You can substitute it out. But these are absolutely delicious. We're not going to be throwing them in the oven. They're going to be put in the air fryer and they're going to come out nice and crispy. So let's go over all the ingredients and we'll get started. Alrighty, we have some butter, Old Bay seasoning, Old Bay hot sauce. We have some baking powder, olive oil, parsley, and 2 pounds of chicken wings. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so we're going to start with a big bowl because we're going to toss our chicken in here. We'll probably have to do it in 2 batches. So we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to do a teaspoon of baking powder. That's going to help crisp it up. And then we're going to do 1.5 of the Old Bay seasoning. Alright, so what you want to do is make sure your wings are patted dry. You don't want them to be wet. We're just going to go ahead and mix this up real quick. And you want to go ahead and preheat your microwave, or not your microwave, your air fryer, Kelly. Your air fryer to 375 for about 3 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and add in these here. Just going to toss this in like that. Coat it as much as possible. Add a few more in there. That's a big one. You see how big that one is? A couple more. Like I said, we'll probably split. My goodness, I'm having a hard time talking. It's later in the evening. And I get tired, and sometimes I really stumble when I'm tired, and this is one of those days. Alrighty, let's add a few more. I want to make sure I have kind of an even amount. Oops. Where'd that go? Just adding them in there. You can see a couple of these are really covered in the Old Bay. We want to make sure we spread that out. My finger keeps sliding down and going in the chicken wings. Alrighty. Let's get that mixed really well. And then I'm just going to drizzle just a tiny bit on there. That baking soda and olive oil will help get it crisp. Or not baking soda, baking powder, excuse me. Alright, we are mixed really well now. Now let me just move stuff out of the way, and then we'll go ahead and put these in the air fryer. Alrighty now, so we're going to go ahead and put our chicken right here in the air fryer. Or on the air fryer tray, excuse me. See how many we can fit on here. I'm sure we'll need to go 2 trays, 2 batches is what I'm trying to say. So what I'll do is heat my oven up just to about 200 to keep it warm. So when I put the other batch in, I'll keep these warm. That big one. Got one real big one in there. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. This one I'll keep because it's small. Alrighty, let's see, we got legs, leg. Let's see if we can get this one. And you don't want to overlap these at all, so make sure they can touch, but you don't want them to overlap. Alrighty. And then, yeah, pull a lot of the smaller ones out and put them on the tray together. I just think it'll cook a little bit better. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put this in the air fryer. Alrighty, we're gonna put these in. My air fryer is preheated. We're on 375. And I'm gonna put them in for 11 minutes and then we're going to flip them. Alrighty, we now need to flip over. Look at these wings. Oh, they smelling delicioso. Yum. Let's flip them over. Always do skin side up first. That way they don't stick as bad, but with the olive oil in there, they should be okay. Get that. Yum. Alrighty, so we're gonna put these in for about 7 minutes, and then we're gonna up the temperature and cook them for a couple more minutes. Alrighty now, so we're gonna take these out. Now we want to get these nice and extra crispy, so we're just gonna do a quick flip, and then I'm gonna up it to 400 and put it in for about 4 minutes. Alrighty, let's get this up a little bit. Remove that. Oh. I'm going to do 400. I'm going to do 4 minutes. I'm going to do 3 and check on it. Alrighty, our air fryer is done. Put these on the tray. I did wash my tongs. I just wanted to mention that because we often forget. These have now been cooked and we don't want to use our tongs that had the raw chicken. So make sure I have several pairs of these, but they're all in the dishwasher because I've been doing other things today as well. So I did wash these. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw these in the oven just to hold them for us until my next batch is done. And then when I'm all finished, we'll come back and do a quick taste test. Also, friends, I wanted to mention really quickly, once you've done one batch and you go to do the second batch, your air fryer is pretty hot, so you may not need to go the full 7 minutes that I went first. You might want to cut it back a minute or two just because your air fryer is much hotter. So I just wanted to let you know about that. Alrighty, so I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to melt in my microwave real quick. And I have my bowl here and all my chicken wings are done. And I have my Old Bay seasoning, hot sauce. So let me melt this real quick. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and put our wings right in the pot right here, the bowl. You just want to make sure you have a large enough bowl that you can toss these around in. And then our butter should be done in a second. Alrighty, my butter is done. Now I'm going to take my hot sauce and we're going to put quite a few dashes in there. I don't have that much in here. I have a whole other bottle though. I'm going to show you this just in case. We're going to mix that up. And it gives it more of like a buffalo texture sauce than just regular hot sauce. It thickens it up. And you can do as much or as little as you want. As you saw, I just kept sprinkling it in until I got a nice orangey color. Alrighty, now we're just going to go ahead and pour this over our chicken wings. And toss. Oh, don't break it, Kelly. Just toss. Like I said, you can add as much or as little as you want. Depends on how you like them. We'll sprinkle just a tad bit more. Why my thumbnail? Old Bay on top like that. And then we are good to go. Woohoo! Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. There you go. All right, let me plate these up and we'll do a quick taste test. All right, my friends, so here it is. I put it on a nice little tray. I'm gonna have a close-up picture. We have some ranch and some celery. Sorry for the lighting, it's late at night here. Let's do a quick little taste test. Alrighty, here we go. I just have a little piece here. I'm gonna have dinner with Tubby. Oh. Oh man. These are better than when you go to the store or the restaurant. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Alright, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on, do I have like sauce all over my face? Please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.